Hello and welcome to Everyday English Kit. Listen carefully, try to understand the main ideas, and answer the questions at the end.
A catastrophic EF5 tornado, one of the most powerful ever recorded, devastated the town of Greenfield on May 20. Winds exceeding 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour, were sustained for 38 minutes. Carving a 22-mile, 35 kilometers, path of destruction through residential neighborhoods, schools, and commercial districts. Homes were completely leveled, vehicles hurled over 1 kilometer, and debris scattered across 3 counties. The National Weather Service confirmed 158 fatalities, marking it among the deadliest single tornadoes in modern U.S. history. Formation and path. The supercell thunderstorm responsible was spawned from a volatile clash between warm Gulf moisture and cold Arctic air. Rotation was first detected by Doppler radar at 6:15 p.m. as wall clouds descended. Within minutes, a funnel 1.8 miles (2.9 kilometers) wide was observed touching down near the industrial park. Asphalt was scoured from highways, and heavy machinery weighing 15 tons was tossed into adjacent fields. Power lines were severed across 200 square miles, plunging entire regions into darkness. Structural damage assessment. Well-constructed brick homes were reduced to foundations, while steel-reinforced schools suffered catastrophic failure. The local hospital's emergency wing was flattened despite recent seismic retrofitting. Surprisingly, underground shelters proved highly effective. 87% of occupants in FEMA-compliant bunkers survived unscathed. However, older wooden frame houses, prevalent in Greenfield's historic district, were obliterated, with survival rates below 12%. Debris analysis revealed mahogany furniture lofted 8 miles eastward, confirming EF5 wind speeds.
Human impact and response. First responders were mobilized within 14 minutes, though access roads blocked by fallen transmission towers delayed heavy equipment. Over 1,200 injuries were treated, primarily lacerations from flying glass and crush injuries from collapsed structures. Miraculously, a school bus carrying 42 children was flipped, but remained intact, attributed to its low center of gravity. Community resilience shone through. Neighbors coordinated search and rescue using chainsaws and thermal imaging drones, borrowed from local fire departments. Environmental aftermath. Forested areas spanning 5,000 acres were stripped bare, with root balls exposed across former woodlands. Agricultural losses exceeded $250 million, as pivot irrigation systems were mangled and livestock scattered. Groundwater contamination was detected from ruptured fuel tanks, necessitating EPA monitoring. Wildlife displacement was significant. Migratory bird patterns were disrupted for months, according to Audubon Society surveys. Lessons learned and prevention. Structural codes have since been revised statewide, mandating tornado-safe rooms in new constructions. Early warning systems, upgraded with dual polarization radar, provided 18 minutes notice, credited with saving thousands. Research into tornado-resilient materials accelerates, though experts caution that EF5 events overwhelm. Conventional engineering. Annual drills are now compulsory, ensuring shelters are maintained and evacuation routes practiced. Greenfield's reconstruction symbolizes defiance. Where foundations once stood empty, resilient homes now rise, anchored deeper and fortified stronger. Memorial gardens honor the lost, while interactive exhibits educate visitors about nature's fury. As climatologists predict intensified storm activity, communities nationwide watch closely, knowing similar devastation could strike anywhere. Preparedness, not prediction, remains the ultimate defense.